Hi everyone, Maxine here with Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. I apologize for the glare. I'll remove that. So today I thought we would start a project with, guess what? Everyone's favorite journal base. Amazon packaging. I love this stuff. I love the crackle of it. I haven't been getting any of these lately. This is my last one that I had in my stash. I don't know why. But yeah. So what I've done is I have cut it down to size. And I have sewn all the way around the outside of it, and that's it. So I wanted a journal that had this flap over, because this isn't going to be a journal per se. It's going to be a travel document holder slash information keeper. I don't know. So what I have here is just a notebook, and I have made a couple of envelopes and put on either side of it, so there's a place to slide things in and keep. And then of course I base the size of this on this notebook, so it's going to go in here like this. Okay, and then I thought, all right, what else, what would a person need if they were traveling? Now this is a perfect way to keep track of your itinerary, your flight information, your hotel or Airbnb or whatever information, where you're going to go, things you want to do or see in the location that you're going to. So I thought, you know, that would be great. These pockets are a nice place to slip things into, like, I don't know, ticket stubs that you want to hang on to, you know, keeping things as a memento from your trip, as well as keeping track of your trip, you know, while it's happening. That makes sense. So, and I thought, okay, what else would a person need? And I thought, you know, a little pocket here for a passport. So, if you watched a prior video, we did a little bit of a mass making, I guess, making our own designer paper. And this are pieces from a larger piece of paper where I painted using watercolors and some stamps and what have you. And I thought, you know, these are on watercolor paper, so they're quite sturdy type paper. And I thought, you know what, that's a perfect size for a pocket. And if I put a top on it like that, hope I'm in frame. If I put a top on it like that, we can have a closure, and that will keep the passport safe and in here, right? And then on this back side, we could have, you know, another pocket or something where you could slip in, I don't know, you really don't have boarding passes anymore, do you? It's all on your phone and on the app and what have you. But, you know, if you by chance do have a boarding pass or some other like European rail pass or something like that, it would be nice to have a nice secure pocket on the back side too for things like that. So that is the plan. What do you think? So I have this pack of paper which was glaring at you. So let me open this up. Now you could use anything you have, right? If you have scrapbook paper pads, if you have digitals, you could actually do a collage on this with just pages from a book and, you know, different things like that. I mean, you could decorate it however you want to. I thought, well, I'll just use this because it's the Explorer collection. And, you know, this is for travel. So let's take a look. I don't even know what's in here. Okay, so I used this once before for another project. I remember these little guys. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Might hang on to that. Adventure, Voyage, Discovery, Go. I like those. So hang on to one of those. Life with no excuses, travel with no regrets. Yeah. You never regret travel. You regret not traveling. But you never regret travel. Okay, so this is like stickers, I guess. Yep, these are like stickers. And I'm not good with these. So, yeah, I'm not even gonna go there with that. Okay, so. Alright, let's see what we can do with these. Now, this is bigger, so I think I'm going to have to need both of these just to cover it. Ooh, I love the back too. Oh. Okay, so I want it like that. All right, so now we're gonna have to figure out how long is that's about right there. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little mark here with the pencil so we know where that is going to. And what glue do we want to use? So I want this to, you know, hold really well. I picture this being thrown into a backpack or luggage maybe, or, you know, just getting a little bit of road wear, if it were, you know, more than, you know, a junk journal that would sit on your shelf. This one may see some action. So, oh heavens. Cut that. So this might see some action. That's what I'm envisioning. This is travel, so you want to take it with you. So it can't be frilly. It can't be faint of heart. It can't be, you know, it's got to be rough and tumble. Which I thought, you know, the Amazon packaging as a base would be perfect for rough and tumble, right? So I'm just going to use double-sided tape because, well, I don't know, I trust double-sided tape, and you know, maybe that's ill-placed trust, but you know, I kind of trust it to hold. I'm actually going to use some liquid glue as well. If you are a regular, then you know why I'm going to use liquid glue as well. If you're not a regular and you're just joining me, welcome. Please hit the like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the project. Please share. If you think someone else might enjoy this, please share it. And yeah, and doing all that stuff just helps the YouTube, the YouTube powers that be know that my content is interesting, informative, liked, what have you. Evidently it helps with these algorithm thingies that I don't know anything about, but yeah, that's what other YouTubers have been saying, you know, that please like because it helps the algorithms. And I'm just like, oh, okay. I had no idea. So I haven't made too much of a fuss about all that on my channel, but there's some kind of secret to getting people to subscribe and to watch. Hopefully it's not because I'm boring or my projects aren't of interest. I hope not. That's not the case. All right. So we got those stuck together good. I feel like there's glue escaping. Hope everyone's having a good week. Everything's going well. You're having a nice summer. I know there's a lot of areas in the country that aren't having such a great time. In the east, New York and places north, I suppose, are dealing with air quality issues from wildfires in Canada. That's not fun. We dealt with that a couple of years ago. We had a wildfire that got reasonably close to where we are. I mean, not to the point where we were in danger or under any kind of possible evacuation. It wasn't that close, but it was close enough that the skies were red and definitely smoke in the air. And I'll tell you, that's not fun. That's not fun at all. So I feel really really badly for those people that are having to deal with that, because, you know, we had a little bit of it here, and so I know what that's like. Sorry, I'm just kind of cleaning up. I kind of got glue and stuff everywhere, so. Okay. So we got this together. God, I feel like that needs to dry. That's, I also like to do this. This is a pretty wide area right here that's been doubled. So we have, you know, a double layer in the spine area. So right here is going to be the spine area. I don't want the spine to land right on, you know, where one of these are. I don't want the spine to be right there, if that makes sense. I want it to be over a little bit, so that's going to work out great. Fold that over. So, yep, that's where I want you to be. And then this one, fold this one over. Make sure that that's folded straight. Okay, so, God, just, I think this needs to dry, guys. I really do. So, you know what? I'm going to stop it here. Okay, I'm going to stop it here. I think this is a good stopping point because now you know the what. You might want to do something yourself and, you know, kind of craft along with me, or just, you know, run on your own and say, oh, that's a great idea. You know, I'm going on vacation in a few weeks, or my friend is going on vacation and they would love to have something like this to take with them. So, you know, now that you know what the project is, you could gather your things and, you know, make it or follow along with me the next time and continue it. So yeah, either way is great. You know, I like to inspire, so if this is enough of an inspiration for you to say, I got it, I'm gone. That's awesome. That's awesome. You go for it and you do your little travel folio. And I hope that you share with everyone how it turns out, okay? In the meantime, I'm going to hold it here. I'm going to let this dry really good, and we will continue this another day. Until next time, take care of you, love each other, and I'll see you again. Bye.